Welcome to Blender for Beginners. Today I will show you how to join or separate objects in Blender 3.0. As you can see here we have this sea monster and we have these thingies that will go in his head. As you can see they are separate objects. Okay, I'm going to select them with Shift and I'm going to press 3 to see a side view and move them into position. Okay, now when your objects are in the right position, to join them you only have to click them, then in this case press Shift to select the three elements together, and at last we want to select the object we want to merge them with. Okay, so I'm going to Shift click and now you can see this is my active element. You can know that because the surrounding color is orange, the other colors are red and this is orange. So the orange means that is the active element and that will be the main element they are merged with. Okay, so now to merge them, I'm going to press Command J or Windows J in PC. And now as you can see, they all are orange, glowing orange. This means they are all of them are a single object. If I go into edit mode by pressing tab, you can see they are now all of them are the same object. If I move them together, you can appreciate they are the same object. I will scale them. Okay, same object. Okay, this is how you merge elements together. Now, how do you separate them? Well, if you merge some objects and you change your mind and want to separate them, you have to go into edit mode by pressing tab, then hover over the parts you want to separate, hover your mouse, and then press the letter L. Okay, I'm going to hover into the next one and press L, hover into the next one and press L. And now that I have them separated, I will press the letter P. That brings the separate menu and I'm going to click on selection because we want to separate what we selected. Okay, so P, then selection. Now if I press tab to come out into object mode, you can see the elements are again separated. Okay, this is how you merge or separate objects into Blender. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you want more content like this, please like and subscribe. See you around!